Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a video of like stripping my hair naturally without using any bleach or hair dye remover. A friend who's a hairdresser advised me to use Head and Shoulders and leave it on for about half an hour. It should gradually fade the colour. So I searched it, and what came up straight away was Head and Shoulders and vitamin C tablets. You crush down vitamin C tablets into like a powder form and mix it with the shampoo. It makes a paste, and that's supposed to strip your hair. So I did this the other day. I used like a whole tub of Asda vitamin C's, and it basically, when I grinded it down, there was way too much powder, so I saved half of it because I thought, oh, if it works I might need it again to lift it a bit more, and it has worked. I don't know if the lighting is showing. My last video my hair was almost black, but I thought what would make this video slightly more fun and interesting is if I drink a whole bottle of wine before applying the mixture and making the mixture. This is Pinot Grigio and it's 12% alcohol, which will get me drunk. I'm not the type of person that will drink wine to enjoy it. If I'm drinking wine, it's because I want to get drunk. Before I apply the mixture or even make the paste, I'm gonna get drunk. Ugh. I don't know how people can drink this and actually like it. Oh, Biscoffee, that's been in my pocket for like a week. I don't know why I do this to myself. I keep seeing rings of light. I've got a new ring light. Oh yeah, look, you can see it in my glasses. So that's already that much gone, just from that one glass. When I drink wine fast, half an hour later, it'll just hit me and I'll be like, whoa. So, oh, that's scraped. Not everyone will find someone getting drunk and doing this to their hair funny. Some will say it's shit content, like the rest of the videos I make. Thanks for the views. Ugh. I think this wine is already getting to me. Yes! The wine has definitely got to me. Still have this much wine to drink, so let's get that in me. Anyone that actually enjoys Pinot Grigio, what the f is wrong with you? That shit is disgusting. Whole bottle gone. Right, I need a brush. I'm looking for a brush. I don't think this is the right kind of brush. Tablets I showed you earlier, I grinded them down and obviously still got them in here. So I'm gonna mix in, ooh, some Head and Shoulders, anti-dandruff. Because you're worth it. That's L'Oreal, Leah. Oh, I'm pouring it over the edge. I'm just gonna need a little bit more. It looks like cement, to be honest with you. I brought a glass of water to dampen my hair. Oh, I know, I can dip my brush in there. Oh, you know what, this isn't working. Oh, it's looking pretty damp to me, but I just think I need to brush it all through so it's even. I do not recommend what I'm doing. Meaning drinking, not the stripping the hair. Drinking the wine within like 15 minutes sort of thing, you know? Damp. Let's start applying the mixture. I need it on the ends more than anything. Start with the ends. Let's just stick it everywhere. I haven't got time to waste. I'm putting the brush down, I'm using my hands. Yeah, look at that. I need it all on the ends. Ooh, yes, swatch that. I found my old shower cap earlier, which will make me look like a granny, so let's go for it. Oh wow. It looks quite good actually. Quite like it. I need to go wash my hands, BRB. So I've washed my hands. I just went into Mum's room and said, oh, do I look sexy? She's like, are you drunk? I was like, no. So while I'm waiting, I'm gonna make a musical.ly or two. So I've made like a few musical.lys which are really cringe, which I'll insert like right now.
Thank you, next, thank you, next, thank you, next. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, next.
Why'd you leave the keys up on the table? Here you go, create another fable. You wanted to grab a brush and put a little makeup. You wanted to understand.
Diamond district in the jazz. Certified, you know I'm gas.
Literally, I feel like I'm on the verge of crying. I don't know what's so funny, but when I'm drunk, I just get really happy. Literally, I am fucked. It is time to wash off this catastrophe. I had a full-on bath, so my makeup's gone very, very patchy. That's my Hoover. I found my hairdryer. That just flung and smacked me in the back. And to be fair, I can't feel the pain, but I probably will tomorrow.
Because you're worth it.
If you go to my last video, that will show that my hair is practically black. Look at this. I've done that twice now and it's lifted it to pretty much natural hair colour. So I think that's really good, and that cost me, what, £3 for the vitamin C. And then the Head and Shoulders, I bought that ages ago. Can't even remember how much it was, but it's not a lot. It's this one. But I think that's a pretty good result. If you've actually watched it this long, thank you for watching me drunk. I'm gonna finish off my can of Red Bull and eat my chicken salad sandwich and my quavers. Thank you for watching, and if you want more videos like this, subscribe down below and comment anything down below which you'd like to see me do, and I shall do it. Well, maybe not anything that's legal. I'll do it. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.